And I just saw Q217-16. We got an old man. Alright, I just came back, as you can tell. I was getting some gas for the truck. Because it was long enough. Alright dude, Q217 is passing me now at milepost 68.9, I guess. I'm looking at milepost 69 behind me. 217 is passing me now. I just heard Q371. He's at, I sound like he said Route 28. Oh, I should be home already in bed. What's up, Chris?
Alright, sounds good. Yeah, because I have a clear here on track 1, and I have a feeling that's for 217, and then after that, it's probably going to go to an approach, and then it's going to be Q217. In theory.
10-4. As a riser, you got clear on truck 1 westbound. That's probably it for 217 because he's passing me now. Double header. Alright, yeah. Almost. I'm not gonna say who. Damn, dude, how big are you?
Philip, roger that, and I can tell that you are just shot and you just really want to go home, but
yep.
You'll probably get that chance right up to 371 passes you.
Oh yeah.
Because I can just tell by the way that
oh yeah, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm shot. But yeah, after 371, I'm gonna head home. And 217 back end does pass.